Stock trading can be a complex and risky activity, but there are several steps you can take to get started and become more knowledgeable about it. Here are some general steps to consider. Educate yourself, learn as much as you can about the stock market, including the terminology, how stocks are traded, and the different types of stocks. There are many books, online courses, and websites that can help you with this. Open a brokerage account. You'll need a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. Choose a reputable broker that offers low fees and has a user-friendly trading platform. Set a budget. Decide how much money you can afford to invest in stocks. It's important to have a realistic budget and not to invest money that you can't afford to lose. Choose stocks. Once you have a brokerage account and a budget, you can start choosing stocks to invest in. Research companies and industries that you're interested in and look for ones with good growth potential. Develop a strategy. Decide what kind of investor you want to be and develop a trading strategy that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Some investors prefer long-term investments, while others prefer short-term trades. Monitor your investments, keep track of how your stocks are performing and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. It's important to stay up to date with market news and trends. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term fluctuations in the market. Remember, stock trading can be risky and it's important to be well informed and disciplined in your approach. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or experienced investor if you're unsure about how to get started.